do a picture? Set up and do a picture? Back here? I'm sorry? So who are you guys with? Are you guys with SeaWorld? No?
Until they're 16, because they need baby whales to attract you to the park. They artificially inseminate whales prematurely at just 8 years old. How would you like to be inseminated
So
artificially at 8
SeaWorld
years
didn't
old?
hire you? Because one lady told me that you guys said that SeaWorld hired you to be here today. So why are you guys here today? So you guys are big Castro fans? You guys don't know how to talk? They don't teach that in communist countries, how to talk? So why are you guys all silent now? To support communism? Like, you guys just come out on your own? Or?
Yeah, I mean, you got to come out and support the cause.
What cause, though? What cause are you supporting?
You know, a company that makes millions of dollars off of slavery.
Okay. You're right, you're right. So, like, you're kind of against crony capitalism, basically. Okay. So that's good. Crony capitalism. Now, SeaWorld did not hire you to come out here today to put these social...
Definitely not.
Okay. Okay. All right, great.
So you don't work for SeaWorld?
No, he does not.
But are you a SeaWorld sympathizer?
No, I'm not. I don't.
Well, he's a... No, he's not.
You're neutral on
I'm
captivity?
He's against SeaWorld.
Yeah,
He's against captivity
You're against captivity?
and crony capitalism.
they're capitalists, you know.
Crony capitalism. That's a big difference between capitalism and crony capitalism and free market.
Oh, watch out, watch out.
So, real quick, oh, I was gonna ask you one last question. I forget what it is.
Well,
Oh, what's your name? What's your name?
What's my name?
Yeah.
Russell.
Russell. What's your last name?
Do I have to give it out? It's
No,
kind
you don't have to give.
no, but you're not with SeaWorld and you don't support SeaWorld.
I mean, I don't support capitalism.
Okay. Okay, well, SeaWorld's definitely capitalistic. They're in it for the money.
You know.
They abuse animals for money. Okay, thanks for talking to us. See ya.